With these reciting lines, I, Perujan, wishes you a very pleasant and charming morning. Today I am here to present my views on a very threatening and urgent topic, climate change. Climate change is sometimes misunderstood as changes in weather, but in reality it is the change in our very way of life. At first, when I heard about climate change, I was a climate denier. As because if it is happening as an existential crisis which could threaten our civilization, then why we would have been focusing on anything else? Why it is not given our first priority? I didn't understand from where did this added up. But in reality, climate change isn't something which I or you can choose to believe or not. It is happening right now. Barack Obama has rightly said that we are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last generation. Yes, you heard me right. The last one who can do something about it. As climate change is irreversible after 2030. Climate change is the Everest of all problems. The thorniest challenge faced by humankind. Alarming facts and effects of climate change not only include this, but also melting of polar ice caps leading to rising sea levels. Since 1900, the rise in sea level has been the fastest from last 3,000 years. Our average wildlife population have dropped 60% in over 40 years, and our 1 million species have become extinct. Our oceans are dying. A 2019 study has shown that our oceans have sucked up 90% of the heat gained by the planet between 1971 and 2010, leading to the deaths of coral reefs and Great Barrier Reefs. It is not only affecting these species, but also a species namely Homo sapiens, which means human beings. It is expected to cause 250,000 additional deaths between 2030 and 2050 only due to climate change from malnutrition, malaria, dengue and diarrhea. And within upcoming 2 decades, our global temperature is going to rise 1.5 degrees Celsius. With these much evidences of depleting natural resources, droughts, famines, climate change, toxic waste and declining biodiversity, why we are cooperating with the problem? Why we are marching with the same alarming beat? Because we have the privilege to exploit it, right? Let me tell you one more fact. Azam in Lusaka, Zambia has a cage where the notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. You will be surprised to listen that inside the cage there is no animal, but a mirror where we human beings can see ourselves, indicating that we are the world's most dangerous animal. Our ignorance and negligence is our biggest enemy, and we are the biggest cause of happening these natural disasters. We all have to come together to confront the climate change. We all have to come upon solutions to bring a sustainable environment. Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said that. Be the change you want to see in the world. Let's double down on solar energy. Let's be more energy efficient. Let's reduce, reuse and recycle. Encourage your friends, families and co-workers to reduce their carbon dioxide pollution. We cannot undo the mistakes of past. But this generation of conscious citizens, this generation of political and business leaders can make the things right. This generation can make significant change happen that will stop planet warming and create a world of peace and prosperity. Climate change is here, and we are also here now. If we will not act, then who will? 25 years ago, people can be excused for not knowing or doing much about climate change. But today, we have no excuse. For young generation, it is more than election or re-election. It is either life or death. At the end, I just want to say that संभल जाओ है दुनिया वालों, अभी भी वक्त है. संभल जाओ है दुनिया वालों, अभी भी वक्त है, क्योंकि तुम्हारे खिलाफ खड़ी प्रकृति अब बहुत सख्त है, बहुत सख्त है. So be responsible and be aware. Thank you and have